Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be discussing on how you can order from Temu app with the cash on delivery option. Let's get started. Now, can Temu offer cash on delivery? Yes, it can, but with some limitations, and it depends on the location and the total order. Now, what you need is you can go ahead, and of course there are some various payment methods by which you can go ahead and pay on Temu, which include credit/debit cards, PayPal, Apple Pay, Google Pay, Temu Credit, and of course, cash on delivery. Now, the cash on delivery might not be available for orders exceeding a certain threshold, and of course there may be some geographical restrictions, such as delivering items to the Middle East or to certain Asian countries. Now, of course, cash on delivery might be unavailable if there are security concerns. And last but not least, you may not be able to use cash on delivery if SMS verification fails. So now cash on delivery is a viable option on Temu, but there seem to be a lot of restrictions preventing the easy use of cash on delivery. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.